Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: what are the typical challenges and considerations when configuring ServiceNow Discovery in a multi-cloud environment, and how can they be addressed? Your answer should be: configuring ServiceNow Discovery in a multi-cloud environment presents challenges such as varied APIs, security considerations, and diverse cloud architectures. To address these challenges, our first point is leverage cloud-specific probes and sensors tailored to each cloud provider. Our next point is implement secure communication protocols for API interactions. Our third point is consider role-based access controls to manage permissions. And our last point is regularly update discovery configurations to adapt to changes in cloud environments. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: explain the role of MID server clusters in ServiceNow discovery and how do they contribute to scalability and fault tolerance. Your answer should be: MID server clusters in ServiceNow Discovery are groups of MID servers that collaborate to distribute workload and enhance scalability. They contribute to fault tolerance by automatically rerouting tasks to healthy MID servers if one in the cluster fails. Clusters optimize performance and ensure continuous data collection across a distributed environment, improving the overall reliability of the discovery process. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: in the context of ServiceNow discovery, what is the purpose of the CMDB model and how does it impact the organization's IT service management? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: the CMDB model in ServiceNow defines the structure and relationships of configuration items (CIs). It impacts IT service management by providing a clear representation of the IT infrastructure and its dependencies. The model supports efficient incident resolution, change management, and service mapping by offering a comprehensive view of how CIs are connected within the organization. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery handle the discovery of devices in remote or branch offices, and what challenges might be encountered in such scenarios? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery handles devices in remote or branch offices by deploying MID servers strategically. Challenges may include network latency, limited bandwidth, and firewall restrictions. To address these challenges, our first point is optimize MID server configurations for low bandwidth scenarios. Our next point is utilize discovery schedules during off-peak hours to minimize network impact. And the last one is collaborate with network administrators to ensure firewall rules allow communication with remote devices. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.